Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. This is my producer and editor, Sophie. She's also my dog. Her buddy Fred's back there, and Baloo is joining us today. I'm so excited. Baloo is here. Like I said, Sophie is my producer and editor. She likes to make fun of me, so if you see any text going across the bottom of the screen, making fun of me most of the time, those come from Sophie as she edits. Okay, I'm excited today. We're gonna make the strawberry soup from 1900 Park Fair at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. And I have not been to the new version since it opened up again, I think 2 months ago, last month maybe. But I was at the old one, and then it was a villain character meal, which was incredible because it was kind of a one-of-a-kind thing in Walt Disney World. Sadly, very sadly, that is gone because I loved it. The new version's great though, from what I've heard. The characters now are Aladdin, Mirabelle, Tiana, and Cinderella. And I believe sometimes Snow White will replace one of those four. I think I saw that on a video. But anyway, yeah, so I will definitely miss the villain meal or the villain character meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. They might not. They might just only have breakfast and dinner. Yeah, I should have done some more research before I started telling you all this stuff. But anyway, it is back, so definitely do that. I can't wait to do it myself. We'll be doing that on our next trip, hopefully. So let's get right to it though. But this strawberry soup is legendary. They've been serving it for a long time, a long time. So can't wait to try and make it, see if it's anything close. Because I heard that the new one that they serve now tastes just like the old one, and it's so good. So I'll stop talking, let's get right to it. The strawberry soup from 1900 Park Fair. Okay, so we were also joined by Maleficent and Bouncy the Bunny. They're always here whenever I make anything. Not really sure why, but there you have it. Okay, so first of all we're gonna go with 2 pounds of frozen strawberries, thawed, obviously. Put those into a blender, try not to make a mess. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, and they called for frozen. I was gonna use fresh, but for some reason they want you to use frozen, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, well that almost fills up the entire blender. And then next you're gonna add to that 2 ounces of sour cream. There we go, and then also 3 ounces of Greek yogurt. And I really couldn't tell the difference between those, so I'm not really sure which is which. They look exactly the same. Last but not least, you're gonna add 16 ounces of heavy cream. All right, and Sophie has left the room. That means it's time to blend. I've had some issues in the past. She does not like to watch this part. Okay, so we're gonna blend this on low until smooth. Oh boy. Wow, I'll tell you what, it looks fantastic. So now I'm gonna ladle some of this into this Mickey theme bowl, which is what you should always use when you have this soup. Or I guess you could use any bowl that you had, but I would go with this one. And then we're gonna garnish this. I'll put a little bit more in. I don't want to spill it when I try to eat it. We're gonna garnish it with some fresh strawberries. You know what, I probably should have cut those first here. Give me 1 second. Okay, second try. We're gonna garnish it with some strawberries. I could have cut some up, I guess, but I'm just gonna do this. And there you have it. The delicious strawberry soup from Walt Disney's 1900 Park Fair. Okay, it is now time to try this strawberry soup. Cannot wait, so excited. I haven't eaten all day, just anticipating this delicious soup. So let's hope it's good. Okay, here we go. I'm a nervous wreck. I'm a nervous wreck. Wow, that is delicious. That is refreshing on a hot summer day. This will be perfect. It's supposed to be 90 here in 2 days. So this will be fantastic for that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I mean, I think they serve it at breakfast only, I think, but I mean, I could eat that any time of day. Delicious. Strawberry, obviously you can taste that in it because it's full of strawberries. Sour cream and yogurt blend well together. Obviously heavy cream. It's very easy. It's very simple. I think that's the magic of it. It's simple and easy, which means if I can do it, you can do it. I tell you what, that is delicious. I can't wait to eat the whole bowl after I'm done. I did read something that said they think Disney adds sugar to theirs. I didn't do that, and I think it's fantastic without it. If you would want yours to be a little sweeter, you could add some sugar. But I'm not going to. I think it's fine like it is. And it probably depends on the berries, how sweet they are, though we did use frozen, right? I'm rambling, I'm gonna end it now. So yeah, this gets I always give it a rating. I'm gonna say it's like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. I mean, I could eat this all the time because it's just so refreshing. Very good. I can't wait to try the version at the actual 1900 Park Fair, which I've had it, but it's been so long I completely forgot because I forget everything nowadays. Anyway, so yes, fantastic, 9 out of 10. You'll love it. You should make it easy. See how fast that was? I just did that. So very, very good. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now, Sophie. You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if there's anything that you would like to see me make or anywhere you'd like to see me go, possibly. You can attempt to do that, the key word being attempt. And one last thing you do is, what's the other thing? Oh, hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. Usually try to do 1 or 2 per week. I mean, I do at least 1 a week. I'm gonna try to start doing 2 per week again. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.